In this video, I have this positive transfer circuit. I've got a 6-volt peak-to-peak sinusoidal input. Now, on the output, I also have 6 volts peak-to-peak. I've got 5.4 volts at the top and a minus 0.60 volts at the bottom. So you can see here that the voltage from the input has not gone fully positive. Now the purpose of this capacitor is to draw the input voltage positive. But that's not what happened here. And the reason why you have this this minus 0.660 volts is because of this diode right here. But now I want to raise this up so that the bottom of the output is 0 volts. So how do I do that? So this is what I want to do. Now 0 volts is down here. And now that I've raised it up, now the peak here is now 6 volts. Okay? But how do I loosen the circuit? Well, what I do is I'll place a DC source here of a plus 0.6 volts. And what that DC source does is it raises the bottom of the output by exactly 0.6 volts. To now, the output is not going negative. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to reevaluate the circuit. Before I made the correction, I had a DC offset of 2.4 volts and a volts RMS of 3.2 volts. But now that's going to change. Now I will find the VDC offset. VDC offset equals minus 3 volts peak. Now, where am I getting this minus 3 from? The input voltage is 6 volts peak to peak. And on the input voltage, you have a plus 3 volts peak and a minus 3 volts peak. Okay, so I'm raising this up. So it will be minus 3 volts peak plus VDC equals 0. minus 3 volts peak plus VDC equals 0. Now, the math here is real simple. The VDC offset is now 3 volts. And 3 volts go right here. Now, I'm going to find the RMS value. Volts RMS equals the square root of the 3 volt offset squared plus the 3 volts peak squared. The 3 volts peak is from the 3 volts peak from the input and divided by 2. And you now have an RMS voltage of 3.67 volts. So you see how a small change in the output voltage, a small change of 0.6 volts, it changes the values of the output. And this brings me to the end of the video. If you like the video, like and share it. Like and share the video. And thanks for your attention.